Hey y'all, this is a review of the Milwaukee M12 fan. It's got three settings. I don't know if you can hear that. That fan gets up to a really decent speed and moves a lot of air. So it's a really nicely designed fan. On that first setting, when you first fire it up, you get the battery level reading out. And the batteries last a good while with this fan. I was kind of impressed with that. So the fan has a nice handle here on the back. The battery mounts here underneath in the back. It can pivot around almost completely. In fact, I think it can, it can go, I've never tried to do that, but it goes 360 degrees around inside of there. So that is a nice ability. You can mount it in multiple directions and get it pointed exactly where you need, no matter how you can mount it. So in terms of mounting capability, it's got some pretty decent strength magnets here on the bottom. It's got mounting holes so you can put them on screws and mount it that way, so it's a more permanent fixture where you kind of anchor it in there with these three anchor holes. And then also it's got the ability to clamp onto, say, a table or a rack or something like that. So I will demonstrate how that works here in just a second. I'm going to pause the video. So here you can see how the magnets hold up. Pretty sturdy. You can kind of rock it off that way, but side to side, laterally, it holds on very well. Same when it's upside down. So the magnets are good strength. If you knock it, obviously, they will come off, but if you're just wanting to hold it somewhere up out of the way, it'll do that very well. Now I'm going to show you how it clamps to a table. Here you can get an idea of how it would clamp to a table. It can't clamp to anything much larger than a 2x4, maybe just a little bit wider, probably about 2 inches in total span for that clamp. But just to give you an idea, it will do a good job with that onto the edge of a table. So if it's kind of a work table that's facing you, you can clamp it on there and it'll hold solid while you're doing work. So a great fan overall. I love this thing.